Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 tech gadgets that are set to revolutionize the tech industry in 2023. These innovative devices are a testament to the incredible advancements we have made in the field of technology. Let's take a closer look at each one. Smart mirrors. Smart mirrors are the perfect combination of fashion and technology. They are equipped with personalized lighting, virtual try-on features, and many other capabilities that make them a must-have for any tech enthusiast. Imagine being able to choose your outfit, makeup, and hairstyle with the help of your smart mirror. You can even analyze your skin to suggest the best skincare products to use. With advanced sensors, they can monitor your health, detect changes in your body, and give you feedback on your posture and movements. Augmented reality glasses. Augmented reality glasses are the future of how we interact with technology. They bring the digital world to life right in front of your eyes. Imagine walking down the street and having information about the world around you, like restaurant ratings or directions, pop up in front of you. With augmented reality glasses, you can do just that. These devices are perfect for gaming, allowing you to play immersive games in the real world. They can also be used for education, training, and professional development, providing a rich and interactive learning experience. Home security drones. Home security drones are the next level of surveillance and protection for your home. These devices are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that can monitor your property even when you're away. They can be programmed to patrol your property and alert you if there's any unusual activity. With these drones, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is safe and secure. Mind-reading headsets. Mind-reading headsets are a game changer in how we interact with technology. They use EEG sensors to read your brainwaves and translate them into commands for your devices. Imagine being able to turn on your TV or adjust the temperature in your home just by thinking about it. With these headsets, you can interact with technology without ever having to lift a finger. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and communicate. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are no longer a concept of the future, they're already on the road and set to revolutionize the way we commute and travel in the years to come. These autonomous vehicles use sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate the roads and get you to your destination safely. They can communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. With self-driving cars, you can have a stress-free and safe commute, while also reducing the environmental impact of transportation. Conclusion. These are the top 5 tech gadgets that are set to change the game in 2023. Each of these devices represents a significant advancement in technology, bringing us one step closer to a more connected, intelligent, and sustainable future. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news and updates. Thank you for watching.